Imagine for a moment that every thought you think, every feeling you embrace, is like a seed planted in the garden of your life. What kind of garden would you grow? This is the power of manifestation, and today, we'll explore this beautiful and life-changing concept as taught by Neville Goddard, one of the most profound teachers of our time. Manifestation, in its simplest form, is the art of turning your thoughts and feelings into reality. Neville Goddard, who dedicated his life to understanding and teaching this principle, believed deeply in the power of consciousness and imagination. Think of your imagination as a canvas where the life you wish for is painted. Every scene, every feeling, and every detail you create in your mind is preparing to bloom into your reality. You see, for beginners, it's important to know that manifestation isn't magic or wishful thinking. It's a practice rooted in understanding the power of your mind. Neville once said, "Imagination creates reality." This means that whatever you hold in your mind, whatever you truly believe and feel, becomes your life. One of Neville's most powerful teachings is the law of assumption. What does this mean? In simple words, it's about acting and feeling as if your dreams are already true. Picture this: if you want to be confident, don't wait for others to tell you that you are. Assume it, feel it, and carry yourself as though confidence is already yours. Neville explained that assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled is the secret to bringing that wish into your reality. Children do this naturally when they play. They don't just pretend, they believe wholeheartedly in their play, living in a world where everything is possible. This is the essence of what Neville taught. When you assume that what you desire is already real, you align yourself with that reality, and life responds by making it so. For those new to manifestation, it's helpful to start with simple exercises. Close your eyes and imagine a scene where your wish is already true. If you wish for happiness, imagine yourself laughing with friends, feeling light and joyful. Focus on the feeling this brings. Neville emphasized that feeling is the secret. It's not enough to visualize, you must feel as though you're already living that life. Neville often shared stories of how people transformed their lives by using the law of assumption. One such story is about a man who wanted to move to a new city for a better job. Instead of worrying and doubting, he imagined himself already living there, feeling the excitement of walking down the streets of his new neighborhood. In time, life rearranged itself to make this dream come true, just as he assumed it would. One challenge many face is distraction. We live in a world full of noise, social media, opinions of others, and our own doubts. Neville advised, be selective in what you listen to and entertain in your mind. Focus is like a light. When scattered, it barely illuminates, but when concentrated, it can light up the darkest room. Prioritize your dreams, and don't let fleeting distractions steal your attention. To truly master the art of manifestation, take moments of quiet each day to reflect on your desires. Before bed is an especially powerful time, as Neville taught. Drift off to sleep with the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Imagine the warmth of achieving your goal, and let that be the last thought you hold before sleep. Your subconscious mind, which works tirelessly through the night, will absorb this and begin to shape your reality around it. You have a magic power inside you, one that helps turn your dreams into real things. All you need to do is think about what you want, feel as if you already have it, and keep believing in it every day. When you play a game where you're a hero, and you truly feel like one, it's not so different. This is called manifestation. So, as you embark on this journey of learning how to manifest, remember, you hold the key to your dreams. The world responds to your thoughts and feelings. If you want love, feel loved. If you want success, walk and speak as though it's already yours. Start today, even with something small. Plant the seed, water it with belief, and watch as your garden of dreams begins to grow. If you found this teaching inspiring and eye-opening, stay tuned for episode 2, where we will dive deeper into the power of imagination in manifestation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to continue this transformative journey with us.